Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes without milk. Start by replacing milk with a 1:1 mix of water and plain yogurt for richness and tang. Combine flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt in one bowl, and whisk eggs and oil with the yogurt mixture in another. Fold the dry into the wet gently until just combined. Heat a non-stick pan and cook on medium until bubbles form, then flip and finish. In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes without milk. For flavor, add 1 teaspoon vanilla or a little citrus zest to the wet mix, and consider 1 tablespoon sour cream for extra tenderness. Use melted butter or a neutral oil to enhance browning and mouthfeel. If batter seems thick, thin with a splash of water until you reach a pourable consistency, similar to heavy cream. In this video, I will review how to make pancakes without milk. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for a snug fit and a lifetime warranty that keeps you cooking in comfort. They hold up through endless breakfasts and make great gifts for avid home cooks. If you want the link and other deals, check the description below, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you cook pancakes without milk. Preheat your pan to medium and grease lightly, then pour about 1/4 cup batter per pancake for uniform results. Watch for bubbles forming and edges setting before flipping once, and finish until golden brown. Stack and serve immediately with fruit, syrup, or a dollop of yogurt. Leftovers reheat gently in a skillet to retain texture and avoid sogginess.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.